Hello everybody, welcome back to today's Water Campervan. So the video came out of me making the sink, and it's fair to say, yeah, it's not really that good, the sink. It's not big enough, and the biggest problem is the drain, of course. But a viewer watching said, "Oh, I've got a couple of those sinks, proper campervan sinks knocking around. Would you like one?" I said, "Okay, DM me." So he DMs me, I send him the address, and I offer him some money. But yeah, he sent it for free. So it cost £6 to deliver as well. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, nice, proper big sink. This is. Even got an overflow thing on it. Pulled this out of a old Campervan, I think he said. But it means I've got to remove this sink and do a new hole. This one's going to be 13 inches. Or 12 inches actually, or 10 inches. So it's a couple of inches more. But to be honest with you, running out of room there. Hopefully there's enough room to put it in. Let's see. Yeah, thank you so much, Paul West Oram, for sending me this. Hopefully I didn't butcher your name. You know what I'm like with pronunciations. Yeah, this is much better. And yeah, I'm sure this should be. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. I'm sure it'll come in more useful than that one. I'm actually going to reuse this sink though at the back. So that's how that one will fit. Thankfully I do have another template which is the same diameter as the inside rim. First things first, let's remove the old silicone. Excuse the sound. Got little screws in it, so that's not going in. Here we go, just the silicone seal it in now. Silicone sealed down now, that is. So that should be alright. That's better. Okay, so got this last little bit of ply left. Perfect for another countertop. Okay. And we want like an outside kitchen for when we're sitting outside in the summer. So what we're going to do is we've got these things, these drawers, and put a drawer there and one there, and then we can pull this table out when we want to, And I put in the replacement sink, well, the old sink in this as well. So we have a little outside sink, and don't really know how it's going to work yet, but I'll give it a go. Okay, so I want a bit of stud work, the same length as this. Okay, so I'm thinking we're attach it to this beam here, under here, and I want it to slide underneath this fridge, so there's not a lot of clearances there, so it needs to go in like that. Enough room, just down enough so the rail can come out, you know. One for the other side now. So this is a off mattress job. This is so essentially what's going on is I'm gonna have to screw it in from above because this needs enough clearance to get out of this bit here. See? There we go. I've just got enough room underneath the fridge there for that. Right, I'm just gonna put a screw in each end just to hold it in for now because I'm not sure, you know. See what happens, see what goes wrong, see what needs adjusting. Pre-drilling the hole, going quite close to the edge because of I can reduce the width of the ply, but it needs to work out so the other end is on a bit of on a support as well, you know. A piece of ply width-wise is 123 centimetres, which will work out on that one at the end. So I reckon I might be able to do it without cutting. So unfortunately, yeah, the ply is too wide, so now I need to cut it to 199 centimetres, which is good because Jojo will run out anyway, so I need to do something else. Probably cut this end off here. That's got two things in. Ply cut to size. Now we need to add our two bits of stud work to underneath here so we can join them. This is so hard to do on my own. I have to make like a little stand there. That's why I need my tripod, but I don't have it with me today. And I've got one screw in, just a few more to go. Something I need to prop it up. No! Okay, so that's one side half in now. It shouldn't be so hard to do the other one, but we'll see. This is what I thought the problem would be. There's not enough space for the drill driver. This is the small one. I don't even know how I'm going to screw them in. But I managed to do this one, look, little gap. I should manage to get one in by using a little screw. Which is not good for strength, but it's the only thing I could do. Got there in the end. There we are. It's alright. Yeah. The only thing is it jams under there a bit, see, it's really not a lot of wiggle room at all. And then it doesn't go back as far as I want it to. But I was like, oh damn, can I close the door? Yeah, you can only just close the doors somehow. I have to take it all off now because yeah, it won't quite work. When you shut this door, it pushes the actual thing off the rail. So yeah, it's no good. So what I've got to do is I've got to bring these as far back as I can, which is not too much of a problem. The drill driver's low. There's something I bloody forget. I don't even have a tripod today or a phone holder. So this is going to be even harder. Yesterday, the reason it was so abrupt, the clips, was because I had no space left on my phone. Now I've got space, I've got no tripod to hold the phone. But anyway, today, see, it's like impossible to pull it out. So we need a handle of some kind on it. So for this, I'm going to get a bit of stud work. Okay, so I'm going to cut a semicircle out to put your fingers in, and then we curve the edges with this thing here, this lid. Try and get a symmetrical curve, sort of like that, you know. There you go. Cut that one out. There we go. Did it, just needs a little sand down. It's quite hard work though, because when you have a little bit of wood like that, it's really hard to cut on its own. It just vibrates all over the place. But I think I'd rather not go with that crescent idea, I'd go with the missing crescent idea. Sand it down this corner, as you see. There's the difference to the other one. Just don't want to make sure we sand it down good, no splinters, you know. And yeah, pull it. A bit of screw here and a screw there, each side. Screw it up into it, and then there's our handle. Need to find the centre of this now so we know where to put the handle. Tell me it's about 59.25, I think. Now all we need is a nice strip of something to cover up this bit of that stuff up there. I haven't got any left, we need to get another strip of that and that will finish the job nice. right here, okay. So the next problem we have is this. You pull it out, falls back. It would go all the way back if it wasn't for that. But we need to stop that. So the idea I have at the moment, got this old lock here, bolt lock. So what I'll do is I'll attach it to there. As you see, those top ones don't actually align. So it doesn't really matter if it sticks up a little bit. The mattress is so spongy. But I'll drill some new holes here and here. And then we'll drill a hole through, and then you can just slot it through and it'll keep it there. So I've marked my hole there where the bolt will go into. Get the biggest drill that I can fit into this drill driver. Wood for them to go into. Basic, simple, but it works.